We almost came. Last 2 minutes. Rice field. Rice field. Let's go to directly birds. I don't know how you're gonna see, but this is now they are making baby. We are gonna see really near. Oh my god. Top. But I didn't take. I'm like influencer. Hello everybody, good morning and welcome to a whole new episode. Today I'm doing something really different, not unusual than my normal routine. I heard there is a bird in Bali, and this bird living in only Bali, name is Starling, and also it's too rare in wildlife. They are thinking like there is left 50 to 100 last bird, so it's almost finishing this bird. And I find a village 35 kilometers to Canggu, name is Penabel, around Penabel village. Actually I didn't find some nice people text write a comment on my YouTube video, and I said like I research, I said we are going finding this bird and learning what's going on. I find on Google some area for them, like some special area, and there was a WhatsApp button. I text them, they were super kind. I said like I'm coming for create content. They said like we are so happy, nice to hear, this is your guide, it's best time between 7 to 9 a.m. for solve this bird. So I woke up 5:30 a.m. now 6 a.m. and I have exactly 1 hour away, 35 kilometers. I'm going, I don't know what will happen. Welcome to new episode, new journey. My name is Erdem Sentunali. Subscribe. Ways are empty. It's perfect and super cold, super cool. I'm so happy. I'm going early. It's good, all good. See you there. Sun just rising. There is super mystic energy outside. And left volcanoes, here volcanoes. Bali is really good, really. I ride around 30 minutes and like atmosphere, waves, everything again change. Just in 30 minutes, actually you are reaching to real Bali, not, wait, now dangerous. Not touristic area, like, look, now I'm gonna show you what. This is now my main way. I was super like double way. I was coming from double way. Something happened and go. And it's turned to this way. Look, I will show you now. Don't close. Wait. River. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow, probably this way I know. It's super famous with this thing, dog, like this thing. But they were bigger and colorful, now they small. Last 14 minutes! I came to a super interesting village. It's looking traditional, also everywhere dog, everywhere. Nice, it's nice, but too much dog, like unusual and big. We almost came, last 2 minutes, and I take off my helmet. Rice field, and this is probably like Uluwatu, Denpasar, Canggu, everywhere, and we are really actually high level because I felt pressure It's this mountain I really like. I'm sure with real eyes looking better. And look at the view. And here this rice field, like step by step, like stair, like Ubud style. Okay, no more spend time. I show you, it's enough, it's really good, it's really nice. Of course you should come, of course you should travel inside of Bali. Now enough, let's go to directly birds. I'm doing a special episode only about here.
Oh.
Hello, finally I came. Nice to meet you, Mrs. Desi.
Nice to meet you too today.
How is going?
That's good.
Can you tell me what is here? Why these birds are important?
This because here this like
Let's do like that. Like that. No,
Okay.
come here.
because here like a conservation of a Bali Starling.
Okay.
Yeah, we now we have 19 of couples of birds.
Really?
Yeah, really.
But
now.
I read like there is left only 50 to 100 all around Bali. But you have already 90.
19 couples only, but
19, 1-9.
yeah,
A
19
couples.
couples. Yeah.
Okay. This
And-
is bird.
Yes. And the babies of birds, we have 68 pieces.
68.
Only a baby.
It's good. So like
After
no
2 year, in the 2 year,
Okay.
we get 68.
perfect. No danger anymore?
We
Or
have
still danger?
still dangerous because the bird is really smart.
Ah.
Yeah,
So they are running.
yeah, running and say with a guide, with a staff because have a dangers in area.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Some illegal hunters catching.
Illegal
why,
hunter.
why
Ah.
these birds finishing? What's the
No,
reason?
well we don't have hunters here because
You-
yeah
here
we
no.
have the in Bali name is awik like what we cannot make hunters no
Okay.
no yeah
No hunt, but
No, no.
maybe catching,
no
selling.
no no
Okay. So no danger anymore.
no endangered.
It's good.
Yeah.
What was your name?
Juna.
Juna, nice to meet you. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
He answered me too fast and they are super kind. I don't know what will happen.
Uh-huh.
Let's see and
Okay.
live together.
Okay,
I don't
let's
know. I will show everything.
Huh?
Okay. I have one more question.
Yes.
There are too much dogs here.
Yeah.
Why?
Too much dog.
Yeah.
Yeah, because in Bali, I love dogs.
Okay.
Yeah.
I love dogs
Yeah.
also. But here like too much.
Too much.
And I saw some statue dog.
Dito no Jumano, Tondian. Nama kena. Anto salu.
Okay. I show you everything. For me also like I'm new here. I don't know them before. We just met. But it's gonna be nice. Birds coming.
Oh.
By the way, these birds are really cute. Like they are ganten and chantik.
Like the video, sir.
Yeah.
Dog. Look, I show there is statue. Dog
Jongkra,
statue.
jongkra.
This is like normal village, right?
Well, yeah.
This is
normal, right? Because no busy here.
okay.
Not very busy. We have a fish here.
You have everything. you make natural zoo.
Mr. Zoo.
Natural zoo.
Mr. Zoo.
What is looking?
The baby is there. This is the babies of the bird. Ni cok. Di bawah na.
6 a.m.
6.
Yeah.
And where you
I'm living in
stay?
Canggu.
Oh, Canggu?
Yes.
I work in Canggu.
Where?
In the culinaria. 1918.
1918.
Yeah, in Batu Menjan.
Okay. So like, why you doing this bird thing?
Here.
Like, yeah, well, like
Why?
you are making money or
No,
government
I
supporting
my
or
home's here
you love animals and like why you caring this birds?
because my home's here.
Okay,
Yeah, and I work here.
okay.
I work here extra.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, only work days. I work in Canggu, like
Okay.
Monday until Friday.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
and Saturday and Sunday I work here.
Okay. 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 Good. So how people can find you?
Here.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
gonna.
you can stay with Juna or
Okay, I'm
someone
gonna
here.
put your Google Maps also. With if they text you, if they wonder and they won't come,
Yeah, yeah, maybe
better text you, right?
Yeah, we will
Okay.
process this one.
Okay, because like they told me best time for seabirds between 7 a.m. and 9 a.m. And now where we are going?
Over there.
What's
Super
that?
aman.
It's super surprise. Just I'm following them. I'm following them.
Yeah, I see your content in Instagram.
You see, you like?
Yeah, I like. Where's Canggu you stay?
Brava.
Oh, bro,
Yeah.
okay.
I don't know how you're gonna see, but this is House of Birds. And she told me now they are making baby. Oh, there is one bird there.
See? Up
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
Like Garfield?
He's not. He's hunting birds or no?
No.
No. Okay. Good cat.
Especially, yeah.
Okay, I put you on YouTube. Good cat.
We have more different of nest because so far the places.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay,
this-
okay.
This the no far.
Mhm.
This and this one.
Mhm.
You can waiting to bird here.
Okay.
Yeah.
I wait.
Yeah,
Because I come here
Uh-huh.
just for this birds
Oh,
for you. So like,
Yeah,
if there is something more you can
Mhm.
show me,
Yes.
please show me.
Okay.
Because I believe
Yeah.
it's gonna be like some nice video, and I think should come more people.
Oh, thank you so
We
much.
should support
Yeah.
this bird.
Yeah.
What's other names except Starling?
Different name.
Yeah, different names.
We call Jalak Bali.
Jalak Bali.
Jalak Bali. Yeah.
Jalak Bali.
Yeah.
Jalak Bali.
The
Okay.
different name.
You think Elon Musk stole name from you? He
No,
put
no.
Starlink.
No, like a long time name. No,
Ah,
yeah,
you
not now,
you
yeah.
you first.
No first.
Ah,
No
okay.
first we call.
If he stole, not good.
Yeah.
Now we are gonna see really near. Oh my God! Can I go?
Hey. What?
They are yellow. They are blue. Why?
Blue. It's a different type.
Different type.
Yeah.
Don't scare. No, don't scare. I'm your friend. Look, I'm gonna put.
No box. Cricket. Yes.
It's bugs.
What box?
Like bugs.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, this one. The pork, yeah. But sometimes he eat Papaya.
Papaya good.
Yes. Wild cherry, you know wild cherry?
Yeah,
Cherry.
yeah.
You like?
Good. Subscribe. Like this is not a business actually. Like they are helping birds and birds bringing more people, and it's like tip and donation based. Like if even if you not pay, probably it's okay because it's a them's home, them's village, but people should share, people should support because they are supporting some really rare and important animals. Even not important, but this is rare animal. Here statue, and really like they are flying everywhere. I like. It was like, of course, your expectation like some zoo thing, but it's nature. What can be more? I don't know. But for sure you should come because these birds really smart also because I tried catch them as footage. I put camera inside of them's food, but they come, they saw camera, they scared and run. So they are really smart. Like they're them sound like big, super cute. I like it was interesting for me. Just one not interesting because I ride more than 1 hour. I will ride back more than 1 hour. I spent here 15-20 minutes. It's okay, it's good, but there is also some place like you can drink, you can eat something maybe. They are waiting, we talk, they are good people. I'm not gonna finish this video here. Let's see what will happen after. I told you there is dog statue. I said like I already came to this way. Let's drink a coffee. Let's check what there is around and look at the view. I find a place I don't know name, but this place looking like has coffee with top view. Let's see. I really amazed. This is what I like. This is exactly what I like. I left my bike here. Let me walk because way is crazy. Our place open or no, I don't know. But 90 meter I can take this risk. Look at the way and view.
Like video, see?
Yes, we find the place. I saw him, I'm asking coffee. He's just saying coffee, coffee and laughing. He's not saying come. Come, coffee. Coffee, come. You, here.
No.
Here. Coffee, come, okay. Open. Good coffee?
Coffee good.
Oh, makan. Makan. Hello.
Sekejap tak buat.
Hello.
Sekejap kan main banyak yang boleh.
Nice, huh? Oh, I'm gonna eat breakfast. Lapan. Normally I'm not eating till 2 p.m. something, but let's see. Super local food, super local cafe. I'm gonna eat. This place, something different. Nice. I made a plate for myself, but only two things I know. What is it? Other? I don't know. And let's see, what will I eat? And I want coffee.
Black coffee
Black coffee, just black
with
coffee.
sugar,
No sugar.
anything else?
Makasih. Card okay? Or cash?
Cash on QR.
Okay, cash. I don't know. How much?
2400.
2400?
24,500 rupiah.
Okay.
Dari Tipat. Makanan tradisional khas di sini ya kak.
Thank you. It's for you. Makasih.
Oke.
Have a nice day. Bye-bye.
Permisi kak, bisa dari sini dulu kak.
It's not $2. Also coffee. It's mine?
Yes.
Makasih.
Ya, sama-sama.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Makasih. I can sit where I want. Okay. They're lovely. We don't know mutual language, but it's good. They have terrace also. Probably I prefer there. What a me time. Look at me. Full Balinese style. Today, coffee also Balinese style, Indonesian coffee. Because it's similar with Turkish, because inside there is also coffee, like not filter. Strong. I'm gonna run to Chanko. But you know what I want? I saw something really dangerous. You know what I want? I don't know any food. We try together and look. Super spicy. It's not good. I'm not gonna eat. I hope I like. It's looking okay. It's delicious but super spicy. Inside there is chicken something sauce. Top. But I didn't take tissue. Okay. Indonesians, you know how you live this life. This is, I don't know, what is it? Inside there is meat. I hope it's not pig. I'm gonna take off meat. I'm not gonna eat this one. This is good. I'm like influencer. I'm biting without know anything. Hmm. Hmm. Oi. Not best thing, but it's okay. Everything, this food, all pieces plus coffee, 24,000. Exactly $1.50. Everything. It's super. This is for sure something I know. But wait. This is I'm wondering. I don't know what is it. It's okay. Banana, some kind of banana with something. My diet fucked up. Coffee is getting better. It's a good pancake. Everything was good, by the way. Only I didn't like this one too much. Other everything was super delicious. Unhealthy, but good. Look at the view. Super piece. Out, look. This place, impossible can't find. Like you are taking risk. You are not seeing this place. You are walking after this place. It's surprisingly good. I'm putting location to below. And last, this is I know. It's super clear. Banana. But which type of banana? I don't know. Crunchy. It's okay. It's good. System perfect. You're deciding what you wanna eat. Per piece they are calculating, and everything fresh. Ladies cooking, putting. Super affordable. When I experience something like that, I'm feeling more love about Bali, Indonesia and people. I can live my most of time 90% as tourist, like tourist as about places. But even 10% this local life is real connection. Only I'm feeling like more attached after like that situations. Now I'm gonna enjoy my coffee and view and nature and silence after. Let's see after. But I'm so happy I decided came here. Maybe I eat one more tour. Oh my god. I took second route. Chicken with rice. This time I ask. Best seller. I don't know. I forget what is it. This is, I don't know. I eat this one. It's okay. I don't know what is it. I eat. But this is churros, and I will show you prices. Most expensive thing on this plate, churros, 5,000. It's mean 30 cents. This is place name. Niedu Kopi. Now, I will try just best seller front of you. Other everything I eat by myself. Not looking good, but I hope good. Not bestseller for me. Nothing wrong. It's okay. Okay. I eat last one thing front of you. How they doing rice? Full local, full. Like Indonesian, it's mean. It's good. And like too much people, everybody happy, so I came to right place actually. This is good. And look, like sushi. It's really good, but sweet, strong. Okay, bye. Indonesian poison atomic bomb. Let's see. It's good, it's good. Okay, it's good. Subscribe. Yes, I'm done. I'm okay. Now I'm turning back to my village, Janku. But this place, and actually this morning, this starting of the day, I'm really happy. I'm feeling good. I did something different after long time. 1 week. It's for me long time. But this place really like bonus surprise, because you are not thinking and waiting gonna find something like that. Was delicious view, stuff, people, zero tourist. I don't have problem with tourists, but when you find something rare, it's also good, you know, you are feeling good. Look, banana. I think they are cooking these bananas, because not like what I buy from market. Last time I'm showing you 300. No, last time, one more time, because you should see this mountain also. By the way, like, I was sure like there is a cafe, but I didn't saw this cafe location, view, like picture, mixture. Just I was no, there is a good cafe place here. I check Google Maps, and I just write, because only this place was looking like will open around 8 a.m. because I come here really early, and it's even not like 9 a.m. just like soon gonna be 9 a.m. So can you imagine, in 3 hours I did many activities. It's good. Oh, look at the mountain view. I saw too much bike parked there, but I didn't believe will be like that people. How and why too many people woke up early and came here, I don't know. And probably I find super famous place by luck, by chance. Look, still people coming.
Hello.
Hello. Last 360 and finishing. But this mountain, I like. Now my charge finishing. I don't have too much time about charging phone. Because of it I go, but I come again here. I come again. I'm not gonna finish this video now. Let's see. I'm not gonna make much longer because I don't wanna lose focus also. Today focus were actually only this bird, this village, but I find also this cafe by chance, and it's like second superstar. But don't forget, important thing of episode, bird. But if you come this cafe or if you come bird, you should do two activity in same time together. See you. Like the video, see? By the way, like I'm trying to show you many things, but I swear on everything, it's not even close to near to like 10% of real feeling, real vibe and real view. It's when you experience, when you saw with your real eyes, you are feeling different. Like even like today I'm recording some different way also. Like I'm not recording vertical, horizontal. I'm recording almost square for show you more view, not lost any view. Again, even it's not close, So actually I wanna inspire you about just one topic, not about Bali, about discover some. Doesn't matter where. Just take your bike or like hire a driver or rent a car. Doesn't matter. Every way possible. Especially in Bali. What the fuck? No oxygen this part. Especially in Bali, everything super easy and super affordable, cheap, and just it's up to you. You should move your ass. You should wake up maybe a little early. You should wake up maybe a little more. You should move more than normal. That's it. Trust me, everywhere will surprise you. Like I didn't heard anything about this place, like some touristic, but I enjoy a lot. How I'm enjoying a lot in Uluwatu or how I'm enjoying a lot in Maldives, different level, but enjoy is enjoy. So 100% recommend. You never know what you are gonna see after some turn, some corner. This is power of discovery mood, I think. Thank you so much for watching. I'm enjoying, I'm having fun a lot when I do something, place, visit, record video. Please don't forget, like, subscribe, comment, like recommend me somewhere different, because this place I didn't find somebody recommend to my video and I come like that. So I'm waiting your comment, what you are thinking, how was this episode. Thank you so much. I hope it was okay. Spend your time with me. See you on new episode. Take care. Bye bye.